Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again you are welcome to Resolve for You. There is a very important update about DaVinci Resolve 19. After the release of the DaVinci Resolve 19, this is the second stable release and updates. The first update, about the first update I have already updated on our channel, so you can see. Now we will download about this update. This is the 9.0.2 updates, very important. If you use DaVinci Resolve free and the paid version, you can easily upload here. You have to come here. Once you open, it will automatically show you how the update. If you don't see update, you come here in the corner. You see this is our DaVinci Resolve is opened here for our tutorial classes. Here I will come here. You see DaVinci Resolve. You have to click here. You will see about DaVinci Resolve. You can here you can keyboard customize. You can here preference. You see if you don't want, you can quit Control plus Q is shortcut. But here we check for update. You see check for update. You have to click here. Here we just click here and you see this is our update. You see 19.0.2. This is update. One update we have already gone through. That update is 19.0.1. if there is some lagging, crashing, if there is a small bug fixing, all will be solved in this update. If you use DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to update this. In this process we will see how to update. Dear friend, don't miss the video, listen till the end. I will show some special features in this update. So what's the feature, how DaVinci Resolve is working after this update. We will just click here. You see here download. We will download the update here. Once we click, you see our process. It's directed me to the browser and see DaVinci Resolve 19.0.2. This is a Windows zip file. It's not downloading. After this download, we will see the process one by one and we will extract the file and update. After the update, I will show you how it's working, what's the new feature in 19 and 19.0.2 in this update, what has been done and how the DaVinci Resolve is working after this update. Dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Hello dear friend, our file has already been downloaded. We will come to file explorer here. Here you see our zip file is available here. We will just extract here. We will click here. You see extract all. Extract all. We will place this to the same file path here. We will don't extract change anything. Extract. Okay, you see now it's extracting. So it will extract very soon. And now we will just download and update and we will see. See, almost it has done. It has 99%. Now you see it has already extracted all the file. Now we come here again to the file explorer here and you will see here we have to refresh the file here. You see here we have, this is our zip file and we have extracted in the same name here, DaVinci Resolve 19. I will just click here. We'll just open. You can rename here if you want. I don't need. I will just click here and you see this is our actually the file. We will just run. We will click here and run as administrator. We will do. Now it is here. You see now we have to done OK and we will start the process. Next process. Now we will start the process. We will click yes. Now you see the file is extracting. Now it's updating to the DaVinci Resolve 19 in our system here. So you see we have updated. Now we will open the file here. And here you see here you have to just click install. I will start installing. Now it will be very soon installed. Next we have to click next. You see next you have to click everything next. Now you have to accept the agreement. Without accepting the agreement you can't do. We will just will accept the agreement. Yes, okay, and we will click next. It will be updated installed to our C drive here. This is the default, you know. Just click here install. Now you see it's installing the whole file here. You see, please wait a while. Now it's the computing validating installed. Now it's very soon we will open and we will go through all the function in the 19 here and we'll close the program. Okay, we have already, yes, we are running the DaVinci Resolve 19. Okay, we'll close here. Now it's you see installing DaVinci Resolve 19 here, searching down the updating component registrations, removing backup file, updating component registration. Please wait a while. And now it's copying new file. New file will be copied to DaVinci Resolve 19 here and it will be 100% updated. So you see CMD, after CMD finish, yes, okay, DaVinci Resolve installation complete. We will click OK. We just close the file here. Now we come to our DaVinci Resolve here 19 here. We will open here. You see now our DaVinci Resolve 19 is opening here and we will go through the features and new features here. This is our last project here. I will just click here our tutorial project. Nowadays we have a series of tutorial about DaVinci Resolve for beginner to advanced and intermediate users. So you can join our class, dear friend. Please subscribe the channel for motivation. Me write a comment suggestion. You see this is DaVinci Resolve 19 here. So nowadays we have course about this text, various type of text, how to add text, and this is our adjustment clip about the class. You know, this adjustment clip. If you haven't gone through my class, please go through and know this adjustment clip saves a lots of time while editing your project here. You see the major here update in the free version is which I like too much, which I use. I tell you, you come here and here you come here in titles. There are lots of new features have been added here. There is, you see, such type of text. You see here simple text, this elegant shadow text have been added. New features, some this you see long shadow, such type of text has been neon flicker. This has been added, very rich text you can use for your project. Like you see simple ribbon, this I like too much for your project. You can add it. It makes a beautiful effect to your project. There are several you have to research here. This you see simple superhero text. This in the free version DaVinci Resolve there are 95% features are almost free. If you want a good more feature for your more complicated project, you can buy DaVinci Resolve. No, 3 days ago I ordered speed editor for $395 because I needed this DaVinci Resolve Studio version now, and speed editor it makes your work very fast. So I needed, so I ordered now. After this getting this speed editor, I will have hardware and two DaVinci Resolve softwares will be free whole life, all the updates. You can't find in any paid software such type of facility. You get hardware plus software free DaVinci Resolve. You see such type of icons have been added. You can use this icon in your project. I am at present using this for our tutorial project. You see such type of video editor studio. You can use this for your professional. You have to paste this video here. Once you click here and your photo, and this will makes a very beautiful actually clips, very effective video editing. You can use this. You see here you can such type of profile center, upload image, and you can write here. In the next class I will show you how you can do. For this you have to subscribe the channel. Pointers have been added, very rich pointer. This actually you will use, you will understand. These are highlighter pointers have been used. Some social media templates have been used in the DaVinci Resolve 90. You see I use this for our project here. You can use such type of lower third, Facebook, social media, YouTube for YouTube, and various type of I can't we have several classes here on tutorials about this update. You can go on my channel and you can see one by one. One very important is in our, which is very important, is here in the color page. You see color here. This is actually the color slice. You can color grade, correct your color of your clips more precisely after this red, skin, yellow, you see green, cyan, magenta, blue. So this is, it makes your clip more precise. You see how with this pilot I have color graded here. I have taken this photo from Pixabay, and you see I'm changing here density. You can change, you can make more. This is density, depth. You see it will be that very few effect. This is very important. You know DaVinci Resolve is famous for its color grading. There is no competitor at all for DaVinci. You can hear saturation, balance. You can make it makes very refined. Actually adds refined effects to your color grading. And this is after when you color grade finish and you want to make more precisely use, you can use this. In the next class we will touch how we can make. You see changing this color, we can use this color. So that's actually very good. Here from here you can change hue, you can change, you see hue, I'm changing hue. There are various type of hue here. There's several types you see, and you can make. There are lots of importance updates, main updates which we need here. It's this is actually the cut tab. Here some features have been added. You see here nowadays this I have a multi-source how to use. In the last classes I have covered this. Please go and see how the cut tab is very important in the DaVinci Resolve. And here you can you have to go and effect. There are some important effect have been added here, and some of this effect, some of the effects are paid and most of they are free. You know DaVinci Resolve here. You can try one by one. There are more some updates for studio version, but these are the main which we need actually. We can make, and there are some more I want to show you here. We come here, toolbar here, just click. You see video here and effect generators here. You see here in generator you see this is actually I like stringer transitions. I use in our tutorial class. You see this is a very important, and actually this is free and it can beat any video editing software. You see it's very, you can change lots of color here once you click where you want to use it. For example, I want to use here first Control A. I want to drag the clip. We can use this in the beginning actually. Here you see here we can use this here in the beginning for your intro class. It will be very good. You see it will be very good here. Here you can add once you click here, and you can it will setting will appear here, generator here. You can write anything. For example, DaVinci tutorial. I want to write the DaVinci tutorial. I will click here and I will type here tutorial here. You see DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Here you can change the color. If you want to change color, you can, for example, I want this color. I'm not red. No, it's not okay. It's okay. You can take from here. You can white is a more okay. It's you can use this color. If you don't, you can yellow, you can tag in this way. If you can use this color actually for, and you can resize from here. You see, make bigger or smaller text here. I will make this text here, and tracking you can use. If you see, you can make a space between letters here, but it's okay. I will not too much. I will use the default is okay here. Okay, and you can try if you have several sentence for tracking. You see, I can tracking to line spacing, you know, so which I made like line spacing, like you can do like this effect you can make. And anchoring point, this you can everywhere you can hear one in the DaVinci Resolve, you can keep framing, you can use here very easily. Colors, you know, we have changed the colors background here. For example, this color I will use another color. Do you see red? Tag, you can make more red from here. This, there are two colors here. Okay, we can red that color. The second color we can tag here for something like this, something like green. We can take green color here. In this way you can change. Actually you can make this a stringer. We will have the class about this. Actually this was the update is 19.0.2, and after this update the DaVinci Resolve will be work very perfectly, more accurately. Dear friend, don't forget to subscribe. We meet in the next class. We have a series of class about the DaVinci Resolve 19. It will be long class. Please join, subscribe. Take care. Bye dear friend.